Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality do follow business listing backlink on this site. So the website name is gmaps.com. So this is a website dashboard. So before the started we can research something about that website. So according to HREF the domain rating is 75 and according to Moj the domain authority is 67 and the spam score is only 1%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website drawing 129.9k total traffic, and the mostly traffic from USA, Turkey, UK, Canada, Pakistan. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, so must you guys can create your business listing backlink on that site. So we have completed our research process. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. So you can see this is a website dashboard. So there is a sign up button, you can click over there. There you guys can fill your email address. So let me add. So this is an email address for I am going to create a profile, and there you guys can choose your password, and you guys can acknowledge the terms and condition, and you can click on the sign up button. Password is must be okay. Then after that you can click on the submit button, and once you guys can create, so you can see there is a create a map button, you can click over there. There you guys can add your company name, and you guys can add your description, and after that there you guys can fill your address details, and you can click on the create button, not close. Okay, once you guys can complete these things, then after that you can see there is a additions button, you can click over there. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. From there you guys can add a marker, and there you guys can add your company name, and there you guys can add your business address, and after that you guys can click on the details button. There you guys can add your company description. So this is our company description. Let me add it. So there you guys can add your email address. So I can add email address, which one are we are using for the professional. So this is a professional email ID, and there you guys can add your website, your business phone number, your business number. Let me add it, and there you guys can add your website URL, and you can click on the media button. From there you guys can upload your website logo, and if you're wanting, so you can add your website URL as well. And once you guys can complete these things, simply you guys can click on the submit button, and your entry is submitted. After that you can click on the cross button, and you will see this is your business details, and this is your website URL. And I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys will see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. And I will also show you this URL in incognito. So this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is our company name, and this is a description. Once you guys can click on this icon button, you will see this is all details about our company. Okay, so this is the process for the business listing on this site. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, So then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section, and if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.